blockchain as database technology. Today, I will present my research on blockchain as database-related technology. Overview, context and motivation, origins of blockchain, fundamentals, what is it, architecture and consequences, comparison with traditional databases, applications and trade-off, conclusion and further research. Background and motivation. Traditional database underpin critical modern systems, banking, healthcare, government, but they rely on centralized trust model. Centralization risk. Reliance on rel- reliance on system trust authorities creates single point of failure as known as SPOF. This centralized amplifies risk of data breach, internal fault, and manipulation. The multi-party problem. In system involving multi-stakeholders who may not fully trust each other, centralization of administration become a bottleneck and liability. The blockchain response, blockchain process replacing inst- institutional trusts with cryptographic trust, ensuring data integrity without central gates. Origins of blockchain. The Bitcoin white paper in 2008, blockchain was introduced by Satoshi Nakamoto from Japan to solve the double spending problem in digital currency without financial intermediaries. This laid the groundwork of decentralized system, a new database concept. While in while independent of cyber independent from cryptocurrency, the underlying architecture established the concept of distributed ledger maintained collectively by participants and radical shift from traditional administrative control. What is blockchain? Distributed ledger and apparent-only database where data is stored in block linked by cryptographic hashes. It from a constitution's verifying chain of history. Immutability. Once a blockchain is confirmed via consensus, it can't be altered or deleted. It is archived through cryptographic hashing. Changing one's record breaks the entire chain. Transparency. Every practicant's node maintains a full copy of ledger. This shared truth eliminations information as simplicity and allow anyone to verify the system state. Architecture and consensus. Replacing distributed database, every node stores full copy of ledger ensuring high availability and fault tolerance. Merkle trees use hierarchical hash structure to allow efficient and insecure verifications of large datasets without downloading the entire chain. Consequence mechanism protocols to agree on states of ledger. Those mechanisms, such as proof of work, proof of stake, and practical practical byte fault tolerance, ensure that all nodes agree on valid of transactions even in presence of mailing authors on network failures. Blockchain and traditional database. Compare complementary technologies. Blockchain is not a replacement for traditional database, SQL or NoSQL database in instructor specific trade-off for specific gains. Performance costs. Decentralized requires a massive redundancy leading to lower throughput in high latency compared to centralized database. The trust shift betrays the efficiency of trusted administrator for security of cryptographic trust. Smart contracts, medical mechanisms, and use case. What is smart contract? Determination code that executes automatically on chain when specific conditions are met. This removes the need for trust interventions for feasibility execution. Core mechanism. They maintain state, emit event, and accept input. Execution requires gas fees. Common language includes EVM and WIPO. K use case. After automated payments and escrow management of tokenized assets, supply chain trigger based on location, status, and regulatory compliance. Automation. Risks and security. Card bug are often irreversible once deployed. Depend Depending on extensional data oracles, introduced risk. Audits and formal verifications are critical. Privacy preserving technique on blockchain. The privacy challenge public ledger inherently explores transactive metadata, creating conflicts with data protecting regulations like GDPR and PHI requirements. Cryptographic solutions. Techniques like zero knowledge proof, ZK, snarks, and Starks allow verifying valuable without revealing underlying data. Mixed and commit reveal streams further observe origins. Enterprise approaches. Strategies include strong data off-chain while keeping only hashes on-chain, strict data minimization, and using private chains. Trade-offs and complexity. Privacy features introduce performance overhead and implementation complexity regulations, interpretations of immutable personal data remains a moving target. Hybrid architecture and data management. Dual strong term. Use traditional databases from high throughput CRUD operations while leveraging blockchain for audit trails, asset provenance, and multi-party consensus guardance. Strategic strategic integrations. Write critical events are recorded on chain transactions. Bulky data is stored off chain, IPFs and private DBAs, with only content addressed hashes and anchored on chain. Typical data flow. Applications write to the DBS for speed and to blockchains for critical events. Analytics read from the DBS while auditors verify integrity against the chain. Operational consideration appreciation architects must balance latency cost and key management complexity. Governance models often distract the choice between permissible versus and public network. Applications benefit and challenge. Industry use cases. It can be used in finance, supply chain, healthcare, governments. In finance, payments, smart contacts in supply chains, prevalence and traceability in healthcare, secure patients, data sharing in government, identity, and recourse. In key benefits, data integrity dampers proof history, transparency audit trails for all, automatic programmable trust via smart contracts, in core challenges, scalability low TPS limit, energy POV consumption, privacy public ledgers with GDPR restrictions, regulations, legal uh, concerti- consultation, conclusion, and further research. Blockchain research our understanding of trust and database system, but it's not silver button. Its greatest potential lies on hybrid system that combines the integrity of blockchain with performance of traditional database. In summary, traditional database for speed, scale big data on blockchain for decentralized trust. Uh, it's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening me.